Hello everyone, I'm Esnat, the owner and co-founder of Hydrating Beauty and Health. And today, let's talk something that is often misunderstood about beauty therapy. Maybe you have been asking questions for yourself, what is beauty therapy? So, many people think it's just a skincare, but it goes far beyond that. So that's why today here at Exfoliating we decided to explain to you in details what exactly is beauty therapy and what are you going to benefit about the treatment, the specific session that you have chosen according to your goal. So I hope this is the right video for you, and I'm sure you're going to take something what exactly is being misunderstood about beauty therapy. So stay there so that you can listen in details. If Aesthetics is here for you. Yeah, wonderful. Before we dive into beauty therapy, let me take you inside to experience the space where relaxation and transformation is taking place. This place is designed just for you to unwind, relax, and to embrace self-care at its finest. Every detail here is crafted to enhance your overall well-being, from soothing ambience to therapeutic treatment waiting for you here at Hydrating. So let's go inside first to experience the space where relaxation is taking place. Let's go. Alright, now that we have had a glimpse of this trachea space, now let's continue about our topic. Let's talk something that is often being misunderstood, beauty therapy. Like I said earlier, many people think it's just about skincare, but it goes far beyond that. That's why today FL Aesthetic decided to explain in details this beauty therapy exactly to you. What is it? So let's go together in this journey. Let's understand together what is beauty therapy exactly. Yeah, let's begin. Let's go dive to this topic. Yeah. Okay, all right. All right. Welcome to FLI Aesthetic Clinic Beauty and Health, where relaxation meets skincare excellence. Every corner of this place is designed to bring comfort, tranquility, and the result driven about beauty therapy. Here at FL Aesthetics, we focus on holistic treatment where the result go beyond the surface. It's about your skin health, your well-being, and your glow. So we are going to explain these things in details. What exactly when we say about your glow? What exactly when we say about your skin health? What exactly when we say about your well-being? So let's go again. Let's go the journey. Beauty therapy is the arts and science of enhancing your skin's health, your well-being, and your relaxation. It includes facials, massages, body scrub, and pedicure. Not just for a beauty, but it brings relaxation, healing, rejuvenation, and self-care. So when we talk about these things, it has got a lot of benefits in your body, in your skin's health, in your journey. So these things, I hope when you hear about these things, you're gonna recall yourself that these things bring healing in your body, it brings self-care, it also brings rejuvenation. So that's why here at Aesthetics today, we decided to explain this in details. From deep cleansing facials to a soothing massage therapies, our treatment are tailored to all skin type. We use only the best product and to ensure best technique, leaving you fully rejuvenated and confident. This isn't just a skincare, it's about self-care at its finest. So, when we talk about these things, we are bringing to you a self-care at its finest.